Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So this is the fall finish line collab that was hosted by Miss Gina over at Gina Pearson, and there were a ton of lovely YouTubers that were collaborating. Kelly from Freedom in the Budget, Cat on Point, and there were a couple, Jess from Blessed Jess, and there's one more, I can't remember the name, but I will link the playlist down below for the collab. So let me explain to you how this worked. So we were asked to pick 5 items that we were going to try to finish up using for a certain amount of time, September until November, and we were going to track our progress on using those items. And I picked 6 items because I am Miss Overachiever over here at my house. And so I picked 2 eye palettes. One is the NYX Ultimate. This is the Revolution eye palette. I also picked a body spray from Bath & Body Works. This is 1,000 Wishes. I picked a charcoal mask from Biore. I picked a sensual, this is bath and massage oil from Bath & Body Works. And then I also picked the Swiffer Wet Jet floor solution. So let me say this. I started off very strong. I was in it to win it. This was a brand new product. I had never even used this when I selected it, and I was here for it. And then some things happened in life. The very first life event that we experienced at our house was Hurricane Florence. And Hurricane Florence hit the southeastern region very hard. My town was hard hit, and the surrounding 2 counties were hard hit. And we ended up having to evacuate from our house. We were evacuated for 12 days, and then we made our way back into town, and our town was devastated. When we drove back into town, there were armed guards and National Guard trucks. And I've never in life, in my 42 years, seen that. There were armed guards in Walmart. And it was crazy. We were out of school for 20 plus days, and we thought things were getting back to normal. I say that because it becomes our new normal. There will never be another normal like it used to be. It's now the new normal. We got back in school. I think we were in school for 1 day, and Hurricane Michael come through. And it was like, somebody is really, what is happening? This cannot be happening to us. So then we were out of school for another set of days. While we only got strong winds here, the western part of the state where we were evacuated to during the first hurricane caught it really bad. Trees upended, power lines down. So the eastern part was hit pretty hard, and then the western part got hit pretty hard. If we had been hit with the second hurricane, we would not have survived. Not as far as physical survival. We would not have bounced back because we were already down so much. Power was out for everybody. We didn't have power at our house for 10 days, 10 solid days. And that is not normal. And even when we got back home, we did have power, but it would go out intermittently as the power crews were trying to get everybody back squared away. And then the hurricane that come up through Panama City was another one. So it was just very challenging for all of us to try to pick up the pieces. With that being said, after my first initial video, I haven't done anything with any of these products at all, because it wasn't something that I could focus on. It wasn't something that I could wrap my head around. And while I do so very much appreciate Miss Gina for inviting me, there was just no way to continue with the challenge because it just wasn't a thought process for me. I've done other videos and things that I knew, my subscribers were expecting to see, but anything outside, it's like you work in rote memorization of the things you have to do, the grocery hauls, the budget videos, the cleaning videos. So I know 3 videos have to go out. And then it was like, was there something else I was supposed to do? You're moving in slow motion. And so I do want to apologize to all of the ladies whom were a part of the collab. Please forgive Shakema for not finishing. I am considering this a fall finish line fail. It is done, over, period, the end. I did not finish. But I will say that I did use some of the products. So had I not had all those life events happen to us, we would have definitely been in the game. So first of all, let me share with you, this is the Biore. This is a charcoal facial cleanser, and I love this. It's not what is that? It has like a eucalyptus type feel and smell, and I really do love it. It's not pitch black. It kind of is a grayish black when it goes on your hand. And so for this to be totally brand new, we did use probably, I would say, a quarter of the bottle, maybe a quarter, just a hair under a quarter. And this is really good. So I'm going to put this back into my shower and begin to use this. The reason why I haven't used this more even during the time is because things were just packed in bags. We just had everything packed, and we came home, we unpacked, we packed it right back into, the cabinets or cupboards, and we just tried to get back to life. So I really didn't have this out where I could see it, but I'm going to put this back into my shower, and it is going to be used over the next couple of months. This probably is my most favorite product. This was the Bath & Body Works Black Currant Vanilla Bath and Massage Oil. This is an aromatherapy oil. This was probably about halfway full when we started, and now I am less than a quarter of the bottle. I have used this almost every day. I use this for my hands. I use this on my body. I use it just to pat down my hair if I'm wanting to just, have good smelling hair. It is good. I don't just use this in the bath. I use this all the time. And I only use a little because I don't want to be greasy and slippery. So I just use a little tiny bit. But this smells totally amazing. And if you didn't use cologne and you just wanted a nice kind of a light scented body oil, this is what I would recommend. So I didn't finish this. I absolutely would have been finished with this if we had seen it all the way through. So this is a great product. The next thing was my 1,000 Wishes. My sister gave this to me. My sister's a Bath & Body Works buff. I, on the other hand, while I am more girly than she is, because she's a tennis shoe, sweatpants type of chick, and I'm like a stiletto heel girl with lipstick, she loves her Bath & Body Works. I have asthma, so I have not always been able to wear smelly good things. Even my deodorant sometimes would cause me to go into an asthma attack. So I have to be very careful about the scents that I do wear. But I love this, and I love this bottle more than anything. And I used to love their Forever Red, and I don't think they make that anymore. It just makes my heart hurt. So if any of you subscribers out there have some Forever Red you're not using and you didn't love, P.O. Box 345, that's my P.O. Box. I love that stuff, and I don't think I can get it anywhere. I've tried to find it, can't find it. But I think they took that concept and made this 1,000 Wishes, and I do love this. So I only use a little bit of this, and again, I was using it up until the hurricane hit and was unable to finish this out. But this does sit out on my counter with this, so I'm going to use these two in tandem now to try to finish out the end of the year with these two items. The very next things that I had picked were the NYX Ultimate, and this was a dupe for the Urban Decay Heat palette. And then here was another one that was also a dupe. This is a Revolution Slay, and I picked this one up at Ulta. The Ultimate NYX, I picked that one up at Walmart. No, I picked it up at Target. I got this at Target, and I got this one at Ulta. On one of those, I have hit pan. But over the last month and a half since the hurricane, I have not used any, and I mean 100% of any makeup. You just don't feel like it. You don't want to, you just get up and survive. Again, the hurricane is not I'm not trying to use it as the excuse, but I am sharing with you the process that you go through, because it wasn't just like the hurricane came and skirted through. It hit our town as a category 1. If it had hit us as a cat 4 that it was supposed to hit, it would have leveled the entire Tri-County area. And that in itself, knowing that it hit as a 1 and we were already just, because Hurricane Matthew was a 2 the year before and we stayed for that. The kids and I did not evacuate, but it hit us as a 1 and devastated a Tri-County area. There are people still picking up the pieces. So you get up every morning and you do your routines, but you do not feel like putting on makeup. The only thing that is a staple in my life is lip color, and so I just did that. And I found this Milani matte liquid lipstick that I really love, and I've been wearing that, but nothing else. So I didn't even give this a good push or go. That's a total fail on my part. So I am going to give this a try. I'm going to start next week during the Thanksgiving holiday and take it all the way out until the end of the year and give these two another go. There are a couple colors in here that I really love and have used. I probably use the Revolution one a lot more, but this those goldies, and it's fall, so these are the colors I would use for the season. So I'm going to give this one more go. And then the final product was this Swiffer Wet Jet. Now, we didn't do half bad considering the fact that this was brand new when we put it in. And we don't do the floors every day. So I can't even see. This is probably about halfway gone. Let's see if I can turn. Yeah, you still can't see because it sits upside down in the Wet Jet. But this is halfway gone. This really should be gone because we should be sweeping and doing the floors every night. So we're going to give that a go for the rest of the year. So we probably did about half of this, and we do love this stuff, but I actually love my steam mop much better, and it doesn't take anything in there except distilled water. So let me share with you what I plan to do for this challenge. Again, thank you so much, Miss Gina and you other ladies. I am so excited that you all were able to finish and do your very best. Oh, it's Julie from Living Large on Lifetime. She was the other one. I can't believe I forgot Julie. Oh my goodness. Love her, love her, love her. If you're Weight Watchers, go on over and check out all of those beautiful ladies because they're doing Weight Watchers. Julie is doing, well, they're doing WW. It's WW now. So Julie's WW, Kelly's WW, Cat on Point is WW, but she does put some keto in there. Jess is keto. Gina is WW, and I'm keto. So go over and check out all those ladies for those types of videos because their channels are full. Kelly also does budgeting. Jess does vlogs, and Gina's just fabulous all around. I haven't watched the other ladies very much, but when I was heavy into WW, Julie was probably one of my faves. If not, her and Lisa from Lisa's Country Kitchen were up there. So this is not a WW video, so back to this. With these items, because I was not able to continue through, I'm going to start using these products tonight. So from November the 12th, and we're going to take it all the way until December 31st. I'm going to use these, and then in my final New Year's Eve video, I will update how I've done on these. The makeup items I'm going to start using the Wednesday before Thanksgiving because I'm out of school. I'm just going to finish up this week, and I'm not trying to get all snazzy for school this week. I mean, I do, but all of this takes a lot sometimes, and I don't have the time in the mornings. So that is my plan. Yes, I did fail miserably. I'm sorry, y'all, but I'm going to get back on this bandwagon and get on my pony and keep on writing. So that is it, my fall finish line collab. Please head over and check out the other ladies and see their videos because I know they are absolutely fab and they did a wonderful and beautiful job. But that's it. That's what I have to share with you. If you did the fall finish line collab and you did finish, share that with me. I'm going to probably put a challenge out there and then actually give you guys a link so everybody can link their videos that want to join the challenge, but I don't know what it is yet, so I won't say, but I'm going to put something out there that I think everybody would really enjoy doing. And if you post videos, I'd love to see your things as well. So anywho, thank you guys so much for stopping by our channel. If you like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. Just as, hey, we like your video. If you're new around here, hit the red subscribe button. We love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. Also hit the little bell. That way you never miss an upload from us. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel. And until the next video, bye now.